Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Here on this chart, we want to start on the larger time frame. Just a quick reminder where we stand. Here, the info is still that the market is holding the $1.20 level, so that's still critical. I mean, we are even holding the $2.07 level. Why is this good? Because it means there is plenty of space in case the price needs that space to form a correction, while we could still stay in an overall bullish scenario. Yeah, so XRP is still holding the overall bullish scenario. That is the support area here on the larger time frame between $1.20 and $2.07. That's very, very important. That's absolute key. As long as we are holding above the $1.20 level, I'm going to watch for another high, as far as I can tell right now, because the levels are holding and we have to use the 50% retracement, a standard retracement level for a fourth wave pullback. We have to use that as key level to help us distinguish between bullish and bearish momentum. Now, that doesn't mean we have to test that level. That's often a misunderstanding. No, it just means that as long as we're holding it, it's support, it's not a target. If we go down any lower and form a low below the 3rd of February low, which formed at around $1.77, then the $1.54 level would be next support. Yeah, I've got here two scenarios basically in blue and yellow. And the yellow scenario suggests that the wave 4 pullback could have bottomed already and we're going up more directly in wave 5. Whereas the blue scenario allows for a wider wave 4 correction. And in this wider wave 4 correction, the price could currently be working on a B wave or might have topped already and we go down a little bit lower. But there are levels on the smaller time frame that help us distinguish between these two scenarios. Essentially, they are part of the same scenario, which is two different variations of the same. Okay, if we get another high, which at the moment would be an expectation based on probabilities, yeah, not a personal assumption or personal opinion. No, it's based on what this model suggests, but please note that our model is also based on probabilities. It's an Elliott wave model here that we're using, and markets are just moving in probabilities, and probabilities can change. And if the markets give us at any point a signal that something else is playing out, we will adjust. Okay, we always go with what the market tells us. The market is the boss. And that's why I tell you clearly when something is my opinion. I'll tell you that, but most of the time I'm speaking about what probabilities suggest and when probabilities will start to shift. As I said to you, below $1.20, they will shift towards something more bearish. Already when we get close to $1.20, probabilities will start to shift, obviously. Yeah. But if we get another high, yeah, $5, $5.65, $6.60, these could be targets to watch. Now, I would say let's take a look at the smaller time frame for XRP, because here on the 1 hour time frame or 30-minute chart, we can get a good understanding of what the levels are that really determine whether this wave 4 has already bottomed or it's still unfolding. Yeah. For now, it's not looking too bad for the bulls. It's not looking too bad. You see here the 30-minute chart. The rally from the 3rd of February low was only in 3 waves, so this is just a corrective pattern here. It's essentially a range, and you can see we haven't seen any impulsive price action to the upside. This here was a corrective rally in 3 waves. This was a corrective rally in 3 waves, and this is also not really super impressive. So from that point of view, we can't really confirm yet that we are in a breakout situation to the upside. The market is certainly trying. We're printing higher highs and higher lows at the moment. And the next resistance is at $2.40. And above that level, we've got the $2.64 level. And above that level, the $3.04 level. These are the next resistances. And this short-term uptrend that has started on the 11th of March is still unfolding. It's just a short-term uptrend. We've even broken above the Monday high. I mean, some other cryptocurrency charts haven't made it that way, yeah. But again, bear in mind, this is just a microstructure. This can shift easily. I'm just giving you here a momentary snapshot of what's happening right now while I record the video. That could have changed, but I always try to help you understand the levels as well. So if at this point the price breaks below the $2.13 level, the microstructure will already change. The yellow scenario seems in control at the moment, but there are these resistances that need to be overcome to follow the yellow roadmap. To the downside, at the latest, if the price breaks below $1.90, that would be a strong signal that the blue scenario is taking the lead, which could take us to the levels that are shared with you on the larger time frame, $1.50 and $1.20. So these are the levels to watch. For now, the short-term trend is up, but I'm not impressed yet. If this really is the wave count, next we should see a surge to the upside in a third wave, which should normally be quite an aggressive trend, but don't see it yet. $2.40 next resistance. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.